Hey everybody, so I got an unboxing to do of the new Galaxy Buds by Samsung, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Alright, so I pre-ordered my Galaxy Note 10, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, and I got a couple items from Samsung for free for my pre-order. I got a couple chargers. I got a Samsung charger, like a battery pack. That's a fast charger. I got these buds. I got the new 45 watt wall charger for the Note 10. I got a wireless square dock station, or a wireless charging pad for the new Galaxy Note 10, and a couple of other items, but we're going to be talking about the earbuds, the Galaxy Buds today. And I wanted the Galaxy Buds in the Aurora Glow, because I couldn't get the Aurora Glow for my phone that I wanted. I wanted that color on the phone, but there was no way to get it. I already took these out. I've already used them. I just put them back in the box for unboxing purposes. I was using my wireless charger that I had for my Note 8 to charge these. These are wireless capable. You can just stick them on something and charge them. A wireless charging pad. Here's the charging cable it comes with. It's just a white USB-C to USB-A cable. It does come with different earbuds, and I experimented with them already and took out the ones that I wanted to use. So I'm using the medium length tips. And the wing tips, or the wings, I'm using the large. It comes with medium and large wings, and it comes with just no wing, just a regular band for the wing section. Then it comes with a small, medium, and large cup. Okay, put that back in there, put the cable back in, close that back up. Okay, so it does come with a little booklet inside the lid, so that's your information. These will run off the Galaxy Wearable app, which is the same app that I use my smartwatch on. And it says Samsung Sound by AKG, which is kind of like the same name brand as the earbuds that came in the case with the phone. Model number SM-R170. Earbuds, 5 volt, 400 milliamp. So if you're comparing this case to this case has a bigger battery than this one. And these are the ECOX. They're Z-Cox. They are a little loose. See how loose they are? These have sensors instead of buttons. So this top piece is a sensor. Which it connected to my phone is playing music. Left and right. To show you, these are the larger wings. They're a lot bigger. See if I can turn them off first. they're loud enough for the camera to pick up the sound. I don't want to get a music strike or anything. They are the Aurora Glow, so they are kind of rainbowy. They're kind of a blue, green, and purple, and yellow. They are really nice. I do like them. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration real quick. So light is green, which means that they're charged, and the light immediately went out. And here's my fast charger, my convertible fast charger from Samsung. And right there. And boop, they turn on. Turn on red to tell you that they're charging. This is just an unboxing, nothing extremely special. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And I will do a review in time on these. So this video we're doing right now will be part 1. So check out my Amazon affiliate links. Go check the bell notification icon. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Yeah.